Thank you for taking the time to check out this course. I created this course for anybody that's interested in affiliate marketing and also for people who are interested in building a list. And what I'm going to be talking about today is the affiliate funnel. You may have heard about it, but what I've noticed is that a lot of people who build affiliate funnels don't do it properly. So I'm going to be talking about how to do it properly in this course, and I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of building it. Now, if you don't know what an affiliate funnel is or even what a funnel is, don't worry. I'll be talking about that in the following video. In the later videos, I'm also going to show you how to drive traffic to your funnel and also how to promote affiliate products to your list and how to scale up. So with that said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.